Crystal, reporting live in front of the fan in the practice gym, making film history.
Reporting live from the playground outside the band room.
Reporting live from the middle school locker room, where it's usually off and very loud, but all you can hear now is the sound of my soothing yet very enjoyable voice. I hope you enjoy that, and you're welcome.
Hi, I'm here live in the gym, as you can tell, during the boys' PE.
Reporting from the auditorium, where you can obviously hear my luscious voice.
Reporting live in the school office where it's normally quiet.
Reporting to you live from outside the very loud middle school choir room. Isn't it right, Alex?
Roses are orange, violets are orange, everything's orange, my garden's on fire.
Oh, snap.